Hi everyone! Thank you for watching. Today we're gonna make crab fried rice. Crab meat fried rice. This is a crab meat that I bought. It is in the package and you can buy it from the can. Let me show you how it looks inside. There are actually two types, so I'm gonna show you. This is the claw crab meat. Okay, so we're gonna make this premium fried rice. Crab meat fried rice is one of the most premium fried rice you can make for yourself, and I'm going to use also a can of sweet corn to sweeten everything up, and this is going to be so delicious. You will ask for more. Your family will love this. Buy this. You can find this at the grocery shop. This is HEB. I bought this claw crab meat, and also there's the other type that's called the lamb crab meat. This is a brand called More Please. The price is very different. For the crab claw it's about $8 plus, and then for the lamb meat is $17 plus. I'm just gonna use the claw meat, and I'm also showing you this crab cakes. So take a look and see. I'll show you again. This is where you buy them, claw crab meat. Okay, and the other one is the lamb crab meat. Take a look at the prices and go for whichever you want. Both can be used. Okay, all right, let me see. This is going to make your fried rice incredibly delicious. So open the seal first. It's quite hard to open. My name is Sue, and I would like to share this recipe with you, and I hope you like this as much as my family does. Open up the seal. There is a cover on top, like a can. It's sealed quite tight and quite well, so this is really good. So take a look and see inside. Okay, I'm gonna open up and show you the content inside. Look at it, it's still fresh, it looks delicious. And let me just make this fried rice very fast at home. Open the corn. One can will do. This will work for you. Amazing. Alright, take it all out first so that it's easy. Later you will be very easy to just mix everything together. Now the rice I have cooked the day before, so it's overnight rice. We usually like to use overnight rice because the rice is a little bit less watery and it's easy to fry. Yeah, you see, so it's a little bit dry. This has been cooked in the rice cooker and left for the night, so overnight rice. Yeah, I bought a Tiger rice cooker. I cooked the rice the night before and kept some, so overnight rice. Okay, take out the rice and then make it less lumpy. Yeah, use the spatula, make it less lumpy, loosen it up a bit. Some eggs, 3 to 4 or 5, whichever you like. Okay, this is huge eggs. I'm gonna use 4. Once you have all the ingredients ready, go ahead and I'm also going to add the sambal oleh, and it's an Indonesian brand sambal. It's a chili sauce. It's gonna make it a little bit spicy. You can omit. This is optional, totally optional. First, I will heat the pan up. Okay, make sure you have some oil, whether olive oil or peanut oil, whichever you like, and some sesame oil just for fragrance. Heat up the pan first. Okay, this is the soy sauce. I'm gonna use a few ingredients for the sauces. Heat up the pan. You can see it slowly heated up. Make sure there's no more water on the pan. That helps you to fry it easily. 4 types of sauce: the spicy sauce, spicy chili sauce, and soy sauce, oil, and sesame oil. Alright, make sure the rice is ready. Everything is ready at the side because it's going to go really fast. Sorry. Okay, take away the water. Very good. The heat it up to about 5 to 6, a little bit above average. Okay. All right. Start with the oil first. Put a bit oil to cover the pan. Make sure it's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Crack the eggs in quickly. 4 eggs. All right. All together. Make sure the eggshell doesn't go in. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use 3, and actually I added 1 at the end because I found that it's not enough. So it all depends on the rice, how much rice you're using. If you're gonna make for 4 people, then use 4 to 6 eggs. Okay. Basically, that's the rule of the thumb. Alright, let me just wait. Give it a little time for the eggs to get cooked. Get a little cooked. So it'll take about a minute or 2. Let it sizzle in the pan, get all cooked, and then stir it all up. Scramble it. Scramble it with your spatula. 1 second, let me just show you. Yeah, this is how it's gonna look. Very delicious eggs. I always start with the eggs because once you get the eggs ready, put in all the spices and the sauces, and then the rice in. We will add the crab meat, some corn, and also some vegetables. Let me show you all the process. 1 second. Now this crab meat fried rice is often served at premium restaurant, and it sells for quite a good price. So if you can prepare this at home for your family, once in a while as a treat, well, go ahead and do that. It's not very difficult at all. All you have to do is buy that 1 or 2 ingredients that will make this the special treat at home. Okay, so I'm gonna just stir it. Now when you stir and scramble it, make sure it gets a little bit sticky. It sticks to the pan, so scrub it up a bit. I'm gonna put some sea salt. Now this sea salt is a little huge, but it's gonna melt out in a short while. Okay. 1 second. And some pepper, some black pepper definitely will go so well. It's so delicious. Go ahead and put more. I'm gonna add 1 more egg because I later found that the eggs not enough. So 4 eggs. Wait till it's a little bit cooked before you stir it up. Okay. I know sometimes it takes a little long. Bear with me. Okay. Yeah, scrape it up. Cut it up with your spatula. Okay. I like to cook the eggs until it's done and well cooked first. Yeah, sprinkle a little bit more oil if you see that it's getting stuck. Okay, then slowly put in the rice. Make sure to loosen the rice first before you put it in to make your life easier. Okay. Alright, all the rice goes in. This is going to be so fast, so delicious. I encourage you to make this comment below if you like fried rice and what type of fried rice do you like. If you're a vegetarian, then you can just omit the crab meat and put more vegetables like carrots, peas, beans, edamame beans, peas. Put a lot of vegetables and make vegetarian fried rice. Okay, some soya sauce on the top. The soya sauce, you can sprinkle it on the rice itself so that's easier. Now use the spatula to slowly loosen again. Squeeze it and loosen up the rice. Make sure it's all stir well. Amazing. Stir well, scrape it out at the end. Yeah, make sure everything. If you really like eggs, add a little bit more, okay? 2 extra ones so that you get more eggs with your rice. fried rice is one of the easiest meal you can make at home. If you're rushing for time, this takes like about 25 minutes all in. From the start to the end, about 25 minutes, dinner's ready. But all you have to do is make sure you have overnight rice. So sometimes cook a little bit more the night before if you think that you're gonna have a busy day. Now this is chili that's already mashed up. So once I see that the rice is all well stirred, I'm gonna put that corn in. This is like a whole can of corn. I'm gonna put half first, and then I'll stir it up, and at the end I'll put another half. And the chili, you can see that I haven't stirred. I'm gonna put all the ingredients first with the crab meat. I don't see any difference from using crab lump meat and crab claw meat. Okay, it does make the price go half, so go ahead and stir now. Now don't put any water to your fried rice because it's gonna make it all soggy. You don't want to have soggy fried rice. You can add things like spring onions, some garlic, some onions. Those will work. Give it a quick stir. Alright, always be sure to scrape the base so that it doesn't stick all at the end. Okay, at the base. Give it a good stir. Make sure everything is all mixed up. I see that the crab meat is a little bit watery, so make sure all the water is taken out. That's why the corn is taken out from the can. Remove all the water first. Now it's done. Okay, I'm just gonna add one or two optional ingredients. If you have them, you can also sprinkle them in. I'm gonna add a little paprika, more pepper. I'm chopping up some bok choy just to add a little greens to the rice so that it's a whole meal. You know, you have vegetables, you have corn, you have protein, and then you have the rice. Everything's all in this dish. A very fast stir fry crab meat fried rice. On the day that you're very busy, this is a lifesaver. Okay, bok choy all cut in small pieces. Okay, I like to put the vegetable last because the vegetables only need to be stirred at the end and it cooks very easily. Okay, so take a look and see. Again, stir everything together. Make sure you scrape the base also. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil, a little bit more soy sauce, and that's it, guys. We have dinner ready, and this is premium class crab meat, vegetables, corn fried rice. I have another recipe using corn and crab meat. It's a soup. I'm gonna show it to you next week. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have liked, share and subscribe, please share this recipe to the world and to your friends because it will help them make dinner faster, and you can have gourmet dinner at home. Why not? So if you like this channel, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and give me a comment and see, have you ever tried this can of crab meat? Or are you, so what kind of fried rice do you like? Type into the comment and I will make a video for you. Make sure you have the recipe for your night out with friends, or maybe have a good dinner at home. So thank you for watching, and take a look and see, and all the best. Bye bye.